We got a comparison video. We are comparing this 400-pound ergonomic, 400-pound weight capacity ergonomic office chair. We're comparing it to most other ergonomic office chairs just to give you a quick idea to help you make a quick informed buying decision. You're on this chair, but you're trying to figure out, is this the right one? Let's be honest. There are hundreds or thousands of ergonomic office chairs on Amazon. How do you weed through all of those to find the right one for you? Well, what you've done already is you've stumbled on this one, and there's something about it that makes it seem like it could be the one you're looking for. What I'm going to do is I put together 3 points. I've done 150 to 200 ergonomic office chair reviews. We've assembled, purchased, and reviewed a very large amount of these over the past 3 years. So we have a really good idea on comparing this to other ergonomic office chairs, especially in this price category. So what I'm going to do is just go over the 3 points to help you make a quick informed buying decision. So in comparing this to most other ergonomic office chairs, point number 1 is inflatable lumbar support equals more customizable than fixed lumbar. So if you know anything about ergonomic office chairs, typically you're getting a basic adjustment back here where you can kind of click it left or right to increase firmness or decrease firmness. What I love about this chair, and this is a high-end feature we've only found on 2 to 3 other chairs that we've purchased over the years, and it's got this ball that inflates right here in your lumbar, kind of your lower and mid-back area. And as we inflate that, you can't really see it, but I can tell you every time I push that, I'm feeling it get firmer and kind of fill that back area. And what you're able to do with this is just run that until you get the custom level of support that you're looking for. And I'm telling you, dude, this thing really changes a lot. Like I can feel it firming up in my back, and it's really expanding the area that it's covering. So that's really amazing. Now, if you want to dial it back a little bit or let the air out, all you do is press this button right here, and the air's coming right out, and it's going back to its relaxed position. So that is, without a doubt, a very high-end feature that sets this apart. In fact, I can't believe you're finding that kind of ergonomic adjustment in this price point. That doesn't really make sense based on a lot of the other reviews that we've done. Point number 2, flip up arms equals space saver and versatility. I actually do really like that. You know, again, with the 150 to 200 we've reviewed, most of them don't flip up. The fact that these do just really puts it in a different category. You could make this more of like an executive chair. You know, you're in the executive office. Everyone's pulled up to the table or whatever and doing that. Or if you need to like push your chair in at the end of the day or something like that, or maybe you just don't like armrests, that's great. I think it's great that it has that as an option. That you're not always finding that on most chairs. So point number 3 that I think in comparing this to most other chairs is really powerful to note. Most ergonomic office chairs in this category, they're in the 250 to 300 pound max range, which is really standard. That's not like over and above. This one is a 400 pound capacity. So it's got a bit of a wider frame. It's got a sturdier base that you can see. And it's really designed all the way through to handle that increased pound pressure down here. It's not going to cave under the pressure. This feels to me more like a big and tall executive base than it does a regular ergonomic chair or ergonomic office chair. So 400 pound weight capacity. And then I'll add something else to it. It is a little bit wider. You can see that. I'm a regular person. This is a little bit wider here. So you do have more of that big and tall vibe. But what sets it apart and kind of confirms it is you do have a higher height adjustment than most. I'm about 5'10". With reviewing a lot of these, to me, this height adjustment tells me at its highest setting, I think a 6'5" person could do this. So technically, you could make a really good argument for this being kind of a big and tall ergonomic office chair. And I think there's a really good argument to be made there. So that kind of sets it apart. Is there anything else? I really do like the leather. So just to close it off, this is a high quality PU leather, very soft, especially on the headrest. You have like extra padding there, but it's really comfortable. You've even got it on the armrests here and on the base. You even have it perforated and breathable here in the middle. So you're not going to get sweaty all day long. Got some nice stitching there as well. But in comparing this to most other ergonomic office chairs, there are components of this chair that put it in a price category that I would say is 3 times the number I'm seeing on the product page, which makes it in comparison an incredible buy. So if you're, I don't know where you're at in the comparison process, but if you're nodding your head at a lot of the stuff I'm saying, just go ahead and buy it.